Hello, it's Patrick here from the GarageBandGuide.com. This is GarageBand Q&A, the video series where I do my best to answer your GarageBand questions and queries. Stick around to the end of the video to find out how to submit your own GarageBand question. Today's question comes from the excellent GarageBand users Facebook group, where Joey Loyal asks, the best affordable microphone for recording vocals. It is worth noting that further down the thread, Joey mentions that he's using Mac OS, but the recommendations and gear mentioned in this video work just as well on iOS. You'll just need to surrender yourself to that dongle life to hook up a USB device to your iPad or iPhone. This is a question that I get asked fairly frequently, and there are a couple of decent solutions depending on how much you want to spend and how much setup you want to do. If you want a really simple plug-and-play setup, a USB microphone is the best way to go, as getting set up to record really is as simple as opening GarageBand and plugging in your USB microphone. No, really, it's honestly that simple. My go-to recommendation for a good quality budget USB microphone is still the blue Snowball Ice. It sounds good out of the box, but add in some compression, EQ and other mixing tweaks, and this mic sounds just as good as USB microphones twice its price. This is what the blue Snowball Ice microphone sounds like, with no effects or anything like that added. This is just the raw audio recorded into GarageBand. Then I've exported it and slapped it into this video. And you're now hearing what the blue Snowball Ice USB microphone sounds like, with a bit of compression and EQ thrown into the mix. Now this definitely helps to bring out the best of this microphone. Before it sounded a little thin, whereas with a bit of post-production you can really make up for some of this mic's shortcomings and leave it sounding actually quite nice. You can pick it up for around $50 or £55, add in a pop filter and budget mic stand, and you're looking at around $75 to £85 for the complete setup. Not half bad. If you're looking for a bit more flexibility and the ability to upgrade your sound and gear as you grow as an artist, then an XLR microphone coupled with an audio interface is the way to go here. You might assume that going this route will be massively more expensive than buying a USB microphone, but that isn't necessarily the case. Many companies and even individual stores offer bundles that include an XLR microphone, audio interface, headphones, and all the cables you need to get set up. By far the best budget option I found is the Behringer Euphoria Studio, which includes a Behringer UM2 audio interface, a Behringer C1 condenser microphone, a pair of studio headphones, and all the cables you need for under $100 or £100. If you want to spend a bit more for some better quality gear, companies like Focusrite and Presonus offer similar bundles at around the $170 to $200 or pound mark. If you already have an audio interface and are just looking to grab a decent budget mic on its own, the Behringer C1, mentioned earlier, Samson C01, Audio-Technica AT2020 and Rode NT1A are all fantastic entry-level microphones that punch way above their price point quality-wise. I'll throw links to all of the stuff mentioned in this video into the description below. Thanks for your question, Joey. If you have your own GarageBand question you'd like answered, there are a couple of ways to get it to me. You can leave a comment under this video or get in touch via Facebook or on Twitter. You'll find links to all of those down below. I've been Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.